All right, hard to believe, 2026, we are already at our third open house. That's right. Today's YouTube video is going to be all about our 2026 open house. Now, that happens this Saturday. Right now, it's only Wednesday, but there is a ton of projects and vehicles and stuff and crap that needs to happen before the actual, well, the open house happens on Saturday. The shop's absolutely slammed with parts, work, powder coating, you name it, which is great. I'm very grateful. It's been a very busy year. We moved the open house up from the fall into the summer. Not really thinking that one through as far as being the really busy season. But anyway, it's cool because we'll be ready for Saturday. It'll be as clean as it's going to be for a working shop. We're going to have good food. We got Becker's Barbecue coming. We got a ton of giveaways from our sponsors. We got Rough Country, Lincoln Electric sending some stuff. We got Seacoast Detailing. We got Sanford Sound. We got Maine Offroad. We got, I'm sorry I missed anyone because we've had so much for giveaways. It's going to be awesome. People are bringing their cool rides. It's going to be a blast. Caleb is going to be actually filming this, not me, because I'll be running around like chicken with my head cut off. But we're going to make it fun. We're going to make it entertaining. He'll get an overview of the show, and well, the open house and everything that's going on. So I hope you enjoy. Sit back, grab yourself a drink. Take care. All right, day of. It is open house day. And we are just about ready, and we are half an hour away from being, well, open for business. And that means everybody's gonna be rolling in. We got a couple here that's helping me out get stuff staged. We got our giveaway table, which you'll see in the video. We got our merch. We've got food set up. Becker's Barbecue is here now, so stay tuned for that layout. That spread when it comes online. We got Sanford Sound that's hooked us up with a killer stereo system. And Mike, like I said, we did the layout. We expanded our parking this year. So we're going to be able to fill this area with cars as much as possible. Like I said, Becker's Barbecue's here. My buddy Dan here, he's helping me park cars. This rat rod is killer. Then we've got our tent set up for food and eating and everything else. So it's going to be awesome. Let's do it.